What up, everybody? Nerf Bro here, and I'm going to be posting two videos really fast and right now, it's number one. So, I was going to post a Nerf Customary episode yesterday, but I was like totally buzzed up and busy, so I couldn't. I was also supposed to post another video yesterday, which I'm doing it right now. And basically that video was supposed to be, which is better? The Retaliator or the Modulist? Now, if you didn't know, now we're going to go over the difference of it. And okay, so first of all, the Modulist is a lot more customary. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rails just on the regular gun. Plus, you could put a retaliator barrel on it, which is 2 more. You could put a shooting stock, which is 1 more. There's tons of customary items. But basically, this right here, this setup, I found the best for the Modulist. Basically, this doesn't really do anything. It just looks cool. So, this is what I found best for but basically the Modulist is semi-automatic, meaning you push this button, and then you don't hold this down, but you press it, and it fires 1 round. But, what's different about this is that this is, I guess, pump or spring, that's it. So basically what happens is when you shoot it, which is cocked, you shoot it with this, the trigger, but when you're done, bring it back, put it forward. What that did was, back here where the stock is, and this thing, here's a spring. So when you push this back, the spring is getting compressed, and when you push it back in, the spring is letting go, hooking onto the thing, which when you pull the trigger, it lets go all the pressure and shoots the dart out the barrel. So you can even see it inside there, but that's mainly just an orange piece to tell you if you're cocked or not, which now we are, so. Okay, so basically, and now the final question about this series is going to be a very short video, but the final question is, which is better? Spring or semi-automatic? Now, it really depends what type you are. I'm not saying class, but yeah, what class you are. If you're one of those people that likes to run around the fields and go around quarters and get people out off guard, you're going to want something like this. Now, the Retaliator is such an easy weapon. It's also super customary, and it's just fun to use overall. Now, see, many people ask me, what would you use, a Retaliator or a Recon? Now, here's the biggie. I would use a Retaliator. Now, I know it's older, but it's stronger, shoots way farther, and also, this thing actually primes all the way forward, so it's easy to tell if it's loaded. The other one does not. It primes, and there's about maybe a centimeter left without not being there. So you're thinking you're going to push it farther, but it's not. Also, this one just has a lot more room. You can get almost 2 fingers on here. With the other one, you can't even get a finger. You have to prime it by a scope, which is just terrible if you have a scope on there. And then this one depends if you're just overall just trying to shoot someone. If you're doing this and you're in a closed area, like a very small field, I'd say maybe 50 feet by 50 feet. You would use this because people can see you from every area of the field unless there's barriers, and then you can just use this. Everybody's going to know, and people are going to want to bring these kind of guns. So then what you have is you have this. And this is for, like I said, the people that just want to go around, shoot people, and be very stealth and silent. And that's basically the one thing about it. And so basically, if you want to be stealth and silent and move around all the time, I'd say use this gun. But if you want to be just, big, if you want to just be standing out and shooting people rapidly, because this gun versus this is a lot faster. It's not that fast saying how much you practice, saying I can prime it pretty easy. But if you can't, then, I'd use this. But if you're in a small field, definitely use this one. But if you're in a large field where you want to go around corners and be stealthy, use that one. So this is Nerf Pro, guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.